What's up, guys? It's Amanda Paris, back at it again. We have another vlog. By we, I mean me. Today, I am going to be dyeing and tinting my lashes with my bestie, Bunny B. And we also kidnapped her daughter. Well, I'm kidnapping her. I'm forcing Brielle to let me practice on her first. Thanks, Brielle! So if you guys watched my last video on dyeing my lashes, that was a few weeks ago. So now we want to do that again, and I also wanted to do a lash lift this time, but I didn't want to do that. Bunny, put your tits away. Sorry guys, I'm being distracted. Can't take us nowhere, Bananda. Anyway, yeah, so we're doing a lash lift and tint today. Wanted to bring y'all along, recruited some friends to help me out so that way I could do both eyes at the same time. Yeah, so anyway, before we get started, make sure you guys hit like and subscribe to my channel because you don't want to forget later. And you know, let's do the dang thing. All right, guys, so I found this tint kit on Amazon. It had a lot of good reviews. So, sorry, this is not the tint kit. This is the lift kit, and this was the lash tint kit that I did my last video on. So I'll make sure to link that down below so you guys can check that out. But we're gonna do both of these at the same time today. First, we have to pick out the right size lift pads. So the directions right here say, let's see, for longer lashes, choose the large size. I feel like her lashes are pretty long. This is my model, Brielle. Let's see. So I think Brielle, like, what's a large? Like, they don't say. How do you know what's a large and a small? God. Okay, so I think, oh, okay. So I think it means like the thickness. I don't know if you guys can see because they're not marked. Oh, yes, they are. There's a little S on it. So this one's small. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this one is a large, and they are marked. So it's referring to like how thick this part is. So if you guys can see the difference, we need this guy so the lashes can go up and over that daddy. We're sticking these to your face, Brielle. Are you nervous?
No.
Do you trust me?
Yeah.
I won't let you look bad. Okay. All right, so first we want to put the lash glue on this little thing. I'm gonna do it. I don't want to do it over her face. Okay. So, do you think that's enough? Wait till it's tacky. All right, so we're improvising. We're gonna put some tape to like lift her eyelid and kind of pull it back. This is packing tape. We're improvising here. Yes, that's so sexy. Okay, so we glued, oh, sorry. I'm touching your face. Okay, so we got this one glued on, and now we're gonna glue this one on. So I'm just putting this all over because we want this to stick. So we're just gonna get this as close to her lash line as we can. I think that looks pretty good. Hold it for 20 seconds. I think that's what, well, it's stuck. So that's what we're going with. Do you think that's low enough? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. And you take the lash glue. And you put it on this so the lashes stick to it. So my experience is this is very freaking tedious. So I know from having my lashes lifted in the past, you really want to make sure they're laying like straight and not like at an angle because otherwise they'll perm that way. So the glue's kind of dried in this corner, so I want to put a little more glue right here so her lashes aren't sticking. I'm gonna add, let's get really tacky right here. I'm gonna put some of this down. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna put the perm solution on her lashes. I'm using a Q-tip. It doesn't say what to use, but this is what other people did on YouTube, so hopefully this is right. This stinks, dude. Woo!
I need to switch to this brush because
I don't like how that Q-tip is. The brush is way better, I think. I don't want to get like fuzzies in her eye. So we're wiping the solution off. I did 10 minutes. So I feel like I'm gonna get it, make sure I get it from under here. So we're having a big debate on if we dye the lashes between this step before we nourish them. I think we do. That makes the most sense to me. And then nourish them after we dye them, but. All right, so we're gonna go with dyeing them. So I mixed my color. So now we're gonna tint her lashes. Removing the dye. Oh, I thought that was my hair. It's your own hair. So you're supposed to do it. Last time I did this, I didn't have these little pads. So I'm gonna try with the cotton pad, like that. And then you're supposed to use a water. So I'm gonna put a wet Q-tip. So my thought process is we'll do the dye like this, and then we're gonna go back to the next steps, the nourish and cleanse in the lash lift kit. I'm gonna nourish her lashes. We're gonna say a little prayer and hope it came out. Tell you what, don't know how lifted your lashes are gonna be for real, but they're black. All right, so we're cleansing it, and it says to kind of like get the cleanser under the pad. Brielle, does that hurt? Are we good? Oh, look. And
oh, they look pretty though.
so, oh, okay, the cleanser got the dye off her skin. So I was a little worried about that, but it actually looks pretty
So maybe it was good to do the dye with.
Well, I was worried about like the pad, because color kind of got in between the pad and her lash line. So getting all the solution off everything. Does that hurt me pulling this off? All right, guys, and that concludes the do-it-yourself or at-home lash tint and lift video. We did figure out that Bonnie and Brielle's lashes were, you know, very straight and stick out, so they really didn't want to stick to the bumper. And we had more luck with my lashes because they are very long, so they were able to stick to the pad better and get a little more lift out of them. Obviously, I'm super happy with the tint. I don't know that I really recommend this lash lift kit, or if it was just more their lashes versus mine. So it's a little trial and error there. I'd maybe watch some more reviews or look into some other products. I will link the kit I got down below anyway. And let me know what you guys thought about this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what other products you would like me to try. I'll be your little guinea pig. And make sure to like and subscribe. Love y'all and catch you on the next video. Bye!